Today, I'll walk you through how to create a custom profile in Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a tailored profile so you can enhance user permissions and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, access the Setup menu. Log into your Salesforce account and then click the gear icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Setup, or if you prefer, you can open Advanced Setup. This is your control center for all things Salesforce, where you can make various configurations. Next, we need to locate the Profiles section. In the left-hand Quick Find box, type Profiles and click on Profiles under the Administration section. This will take you to a list of existing profiles, which are essentially templates for user permissions. Now let's initiate a new profile. On the Profiles page, look for the New Profile button at the top and click it. This action will allow you to create a brand new profile that can be customized to fit your specific needs. Once you're on the new profile page, it's time to name your profile. Enter a descriptive name for your custom profile, such as Custom Support Agent. This helps distinguish it from the standard profiles and makes it easier to identify later on. Finally, click Save. Once saved, you can customize the object permissions, field level security, app settings, and system permissions as needed for your user group. This step is crucial, as it ensures that users have the right access to perform their tasks effectively. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Salesforce often updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. If you followed these steps, you should now have a custom profile set up in Salesforce. This will greatly enhance your team's efficiency and ensure that everyone has the access they need to succeed. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.